Clad in black, moving silently through the forest, Ninja mastered every skills, emotionless in the battles. But forests, grasslands, and ocean have trained their own special warriors. In Asia and Africa, there are three big cats: lions, tigers, and leopards. Unlike the lions and tigers, the leopards rule the heights, lying in wait among the branches. In the whole cat family, no one can use the tree better than a leopard. Powerful deltoid muscles and sharp claws enable it to climb a high tree. From the snapping of a twig, a scuttling rat, or a grazing sound of an impala, all echo in a leopard's sensitive ears. Its hearing power is 5 times better than us. And if I talk about vision, then the leopard sees 6 times better than us in dark. The velvet pads under its paws absorb every step. The leopard is a picture of stealth. When the prey grazes near its habitat, it leaps down from the tree. And then the hunt begins. 2-inch long canines and powerful jaws snap with a bone-crushing force. The hunt is over. Even the prey can't realize it. Then the warrior drags its kill onto the tree to avoid interspecific competitions. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.